sometimes we order our groceries through Instacart where they deliver it to your door, and sometimes they get the order a little bit wrong. Last week they gave us gluten-free bread instead of regular organic bread, which I had ordered. And this bread is a little tough and a little sturdy, and so we think it's perfect for croutons. So we're gonna make croutons today.
For the ingredients, you'll need half a cup of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of parsley, and some sturdy bread you can cut into cubes.
And put the dogs in.
That's nice.
Y'all, she's coming in. Whoa. Okay, this
Here, have that.
is how much we
No,
need.
he needs a cover.
So 3/4 of an inch. So
Like that big?
like this big. Let's see. That's
I'm
gonna
gonna
make-
try.
Okay.
That there? This?
About, oh, it's too big, Mia.
Let's see.
That's really
Are
large.
mine?
Yours are good, Mia, Addie.
Some might be too small. I want a lot of croutons.
I know. I love croutons. Those too big.
Crouton salad.
That looks good. You're doing good. Good job.
So now we're going to pour the olive oil and minced garlic into this pan. So now we're going to put the stove on medium high. Stir the garlic occasionally so it doesn't burn. Strain out the garlic. We're gonna pour in the bread cubes into the bowl and drizzle it with this olive oil. We're gonna toss to coat until it's coated. So now we'll put them in the oven.
They're golden. Quite golden. I'm gonna come get some lettuce out of my garden. I cover my lettuce with these fire pit covers so that rabbits can't get to it and eat all my lettuce. you.